Get ready to have your mind blown by helmets straight out of a sci-fi movie. I just got my hands on classified info about 12 helmets launching in 2025, and they're going to revolutionize riding as we know it. We're talking brainwave-controlled displays that react to your thoughts, self-cleaning liners that eliminate that funky helmet smell forever, and safety features so advanced they can predict accidents before they happen. But here's the kicker: one of these helmets has a feature so groundbreaking, it made me question everything I thought I knew about motorcycle safety. From augmented reality visors that transform your entire field of view to AI assistants that adapt to your riding style, these aren't just helmets, they're like having a supercomputer strapped to your head. And wait until you see the performance data on helmet number 7. It's almost too insane to believe. Get ready, because after watching this, you'll never look at your old helmet the same way again. 1. AR helmets with live navigation. One of the most exciting features coming to helmets in 2025 is augmented reality AR helmets with live navigation. This technology is going to change the game for motorcyclists, cyclists, and even extreme sports enthusiasts. These helmets will integrate AR technology directly into the visor, giving you a heads-up display HUD that shows you real-time route guidance, traffic alerts, and even hazard warnings. For example, if you're on a motorcycle and you need to take a turn or exit, the helmet will highlight that route right in front of your eyes. You won't need to take your hands off the handlebars to check your phone or GPS, everything will be projected onto your visor. It's not just about navigation, these helmets will also be able to alert you about dangerous situations, like an upcoming traffic jam or a sharp turn ahead. This will dramatically improve your focus on the road, increase your safety, and make your rides more efficient. It's the perfect blend of practicality and cutting-edge technology. In addition to navigation, AR helmets will provide real-time data about your surroundings, such as weather conditions, nearby vehicles, or road hazards. This will give riders an unprecedented level of situational awareness, helping them make better decisions on the fly. 2. Smart crash alerts. Smart crash alerts are another revolutionary feature set to appear in 2025 helmets. Motorcycle accidents, bicycle crashes, and other types of riding accidents can be life-threatening, and time is of the essence when it comes to getting medical help. With smart crash detection, your helmet will be able to automatically sense a crash or impact event and instantly send an alert to emergency services. The helmet will detect the severity of the crash and send your exact location, along with critical health information like your vitals, to paramedics or emergency contacts. This system uses a combination of accelerometers, gyroscopes, and GPS technology to determine when a crash has occurred. Even if you're unconscious or unable to move, your helmet will act as your lifeline, providing the emergency responders with crucial information to get to you faster. It's like having a personal assistant on standby, ensuring that help is on the way as quickly as possible. This feature isn't just limited to serious accidents either. It can also notify your emergency contacts, like family members or friends, in case something goes wrong during a ride. It's all about making sure you're taken care of, no matter what happens. 3. 360-degree camera integration. We've all experienced the frustration of blind spots when riding, especially when navigating through traffic. But in 2025, helmets will come with 360-degree camera integration, completely eliminating these blind spots. These helmets will feature small, integrated cameras placed around the helmet or on the visor itself. These cameras will feed live video to your visor, giving you a full panoramic view of your surroundings. Whether you're turning your head to check for oncoming traffic or glancing behind you to monitor your group ride, the cameras will provide a continuous feed, helping you stay aware of every vehicle, pedestrian, or cyclist around you. Additionally, some helmets will allow you to customize how the camera feed is displayed. For instance, you could opt for a rear-view camera or side-view feeds to make lane changes and overtakes smoother. This enhanced visibility is particularly important for motorcyclists and cyclists who often face risky road conditions. 360-degree camera integration will make riders feel more secure and confident, knowing that their surroundings are fully visible and monitored. 4. Helmet-to-helmet communication. For group riders, helmet-to-helmet communication will be one of the most exciting advancements of 2025. Whether you're riding with a group of friends or participating in a long-distance ride, communicating with others on the road can be a challenge. Most riders rely on external communication devices, like intercoms or Bluetooth headsets, to talk to each other. However, these devices can be unreliable and often require extra setup. The new helmet-to-helmet communication system will allow riders to connect wirelessly with each other, communicating directly through their helmets without the need for external devices. This system will allow for crystal-clear audio quality, even at high speeds or in noisy environments. Whether you need to coordinate a lane change, warn someone about an obstacle, or just chat during the ride, this feature will make group riding safer and more enjoyable. And with enhanced security features, the communication system will also include noise reduction algorithms that filter out wind and engine noise, ensuring that voices come through loud and clear. Riders can easily switch between group chats and private conversations, and some models may even have automatic volume control that adjusts to surrounding noise levels. 5. Adaptive visors. Changing light conditions while riding can be challenging, especially when the sun is blazing or when you're entering and exiting tunnels. To combat this, adaptive visors will make their way into helmets in 2025. These visors will automatically adjust to changing light conditions, ensuring you have optimal visibility at all times. The visor will darken when exposed to bright sunlight and clear up as the light dims, providing a level of convenience and safety that we haven't seen before. This automatic tinting system will work much like photochromic lenses in eyeglasses, but it will be even faster and more responsive. Riders won't have to worry about fumbling with visor adjustments while riding. The helmet will do all the work, allowing you to focus on the road ahead. Whether you're riding through a bright day or navigating at dusk, adaptive visors will give you the best possible visibility. 6. Health monitoring sensors. Health monitoring sensors are another feature that's going to change the way we ride in 2025. These sensors will be embedded in the helmet to track important health metrics in real time, such as your heart rate, blood oxygen levels, and body temperature. If something seems off during your ride, like your heart rate spiking, your oxygen levels dropping, or signs of a concussion, the helmet will send an alert to you or your emergency contacts. This is especially valuable for endurance riders or those pushing their physical limits. The sensors will also help you understand your performance better by providing insights into how your body is responding to the ride. The health monitoring system can even detect symptoms of a concussion based on movement and impact data, ensuring that you're not riding with a potential head injury. These sensors could also be linked to apps or devices to track your overall health and fitness progress, making your helmet not just a safety device, but a personal health assistant on the go. 7. Enhanced noise-canceling tech. Riding can be noisy between the wind, traffic, and engine noise. It can be hard to hear important things like your communication system, navigation prompts, or other riders. Enhanced noise-canceling technology will tackle this problem in 2025 by filtering out background noise, allowing you to hear what matters most. This technology works similarly to high-quality headphones, using advanced algorithms to isolate unwanted sounds like wind or engine noise, while amplifying voices, music, and navigation instructions. The result? A much quieter and more comfortable ride, with less fatigue on long trips. You'll be able to hear your music, navigation prompts, and communication systems more clearly, even at high speeds. 8. Self-cleaning interiors. If you've ever struggled to clean a sweaty, smelly helmet interior after a ride, then you'll appreciate the self-cleaning interiors and helmets launching in 2025. These interiors will be made from antimicrobial and self-cleaning materials that resist bacteria, mold, and odors. Using advanced coating technologies, these helmets will automatically neutralize sweat and bacteria, keeping the interior clean and fresh for longer. The self-cleaning tech works by breaking down organic matter and preventing buildup, so you won't have to worry about cleaning your helmet after every ride. The interior will stay hygienic, reducing the chances of irritation and bad smells, and making helmet maintenance far more convenient. 9. Helmet cooling systems. Riding in hot weather can be a struggle when your helmet traps heat and makes your head sweaty. Thankfully, helmet cooling systems will provide a solution in 2025. These helmets will feature integrated fans and ventilation systems that actively cool your head while you ride. The cooling systems will work by automatically adjusting the airflow based on your body temperature and the external weather conditions. The helmet will have sensors that detect how hot you are, and then a built-in fan system will activate to keep you cool and comfortable. This will be a game changer for riders who live in hot climates or for those who are riding for long periods in high temperatures. The system will be quiet, efficient, and lightweight, so you won't even notice it running, but you'll definitely appreciate the comfort it provides. 10. Customizable displays. Customization is becoming increasingly important, and customizable displays are one of the most exciting features for 2025 helmets. Riders will be able to choose which information they want to see on their HUD, tailoring the display to their specific needs. Whether it's speed, distance traveled, heart rate, or even detailed ride stats like lap times or elevation, you'll have complete control over what information you see. This allows you to focus on what matters most to you, whether you're a performance rider, a commuter, or someone just out for a leisurely ride. The customizable display will also integrate seamlessly with other tech in your helmet, like your communication system or navigation, ensuring that all the information is presented clearly and in a way that makes sense to you. 11. Carbon fiber lightweight models. Riders looking for a helmet that combines strength and lightness will love the carbon fiber lightweight models coming in 2025. These helmets will be made from advanced carbon fiber composites, offering superior strength while dramatically reducing weight. Carbon fiber is known for its high strength-to-weight ratio, meaning these helmets will provide the same level of protection as traditional models but without the bulk. Lighter helmets reduce neck strain and fatigue during long rides, allowing you to ride more comfortably and for longer periods. With these helmets, you get the best of both worlds: exceptional protection without the added weight. 12. Voice control integration. Lastly, voice control integration is one of the most convenient features that'll make its way into helmets in 2025. With voice commands, riders will be able to control their helmet's connected devices without ever taking their hands off the handlebars. Whether it's answering a call, adjusting the music, or activating the navigation system, everything can be done with a simple voice command. This eliminates the need to fumble with buttons or touchscreens, making it safer to control your devices while keeping your focus on the road. Voice recognition will be highly accurate, even in windy or noisy conditions, ensuring that you can control your helmet's features with ease. And with integration across a range of devices, voice control will allow you to manage everything from communication systems to phone calls without distractions. So there you have it, -12 futuristic helmets launching in 2025 that will completely transform the way we ride. From AR navigation and smart crash alerts to health monitoring sensors and customizable displays, these helmets are designed to improve your safety, comfort, and overall riding experience. Which of these features excites you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you want to stay up to date with the latest advancements in tech, gear, and everything related to the future of riding, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We've got plenty more exciting videos coming your way. Thanks for watching.